If you need an easy way to cut down on stock shortages, stay on top of essential purchases and plan work, Flowlens MRP software has the answer. Our new Generation MRP system lets you turn demand from customers into demand for materials and components. Shortages are easily identified and addressed. Automatically populate POs with the latest requirements, ensuring you keep the production line running. And assign tasks to the shop floor and allocate resources with easily defined production workflows and monitor progress as you go along. Even for complex bills of materials, you can manage dependencies and ensure everything is either made or purchased at the right time. Plus, you can choose FIFO or LIFO stock management and track real-time production costs. Smart dashboard widgets surface critical information so your team can keep on top of what matters. Finally, keep information flowing seamlessly with our accounts integration. For device, machinery and equipment manufacturers, Flowlens MRP software automates manual tasks, prevents vital components being forgotten, and helps you deliver it right first time. And we offer training and ongoing support from real humans, so you have the help you need to get the most from your investment. There's so much more to explore. Why not get a free trial today?